Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about the lodash sort by method. If you want to sort your array of objects or array with the ascending or descending order, you can use the lodash method sort by, right? So I'm going to use play with that one. So here is the order by. So this is the user, right? And I want it to be ascending order and age to be descending order, right? If you want only one, then you can use the one parameter, remove the second one. Multiple column you can sort by, right? So here I'm going to just use the where it is lodash. So I'm going to use the lodash part here, copy this and add this over to here. Okay, lodash order by. So I will going to add one in variable in the const test. Okay, so I'm going to log this one console.log. Okay, so here we are going with this one. So let's see how it's gonna be working. So let's run. So here you can see that Barney Fred. It's to be like let's see. It's to be user should be ascending. Let's make it descending, right? Descending. So currently it's Barney Fred should be coming over the here. So you can see that now Fred Barney at the last. Okay, so this is how you can sort your sort no, order by. You can order by your any of the array of objects with the help of over order by in the lodash, right? It's very easy, very simple. You need to just add the order by, and it takes, you can see that there is an array of array, and here we have passed their key, and here which method that's ascending or the descending, you can pass it over here. According to it, it will sort your if you want the one that should be order, then you can just pass one parameter over here and remove the another one, right? So user descending, save this and run this. Okay, so you can see that Fred age to be like 40 and according to it. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.